So guys, okay, what happens when you feed a subwoofer amplifier with a square wave? And what does it look like on the outputs? Let's do that real quick, because that's pretty interesting stuff. So what happens if your head unit is clipping the subwoofer output? If your head unit is clipping, does that mean that your subwoofer is going to be damaged by the clipping? My answer is no. And let's see why. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my signal generator. I have a signal generator that is capable of creating sine waves, triangle waves, and square waves. So let's ask it to create a pure square wave. Now your head unit would never ever give out a pure square wave. Even when you are heavily clipping your head unit, it's never going to be a pure square wave like this. But just for experiments purposes, let's give the amplifier a pure square wave. So here we are, I'm probing the RCA right now. Shit. This is a pure square wave at 46 Hertz going into the amplifier. Okay, let's turn the amplitude up a little bit. There we go. So we have a 1.6 volt RMS pure square wave, and we're going to plug that into our amplifier here. Square wave on here, going in. Square wave, going in. Now, let's see, what does that relate to? What does that turn into on the outputs of a subwoofer amplifier, I wonder? Let's have a look, shall we? So I'm just going to take my probe here and probe the output of this sub amp. Well, would you look at that? A 42 Hertz, actually it's 42 Hertz now, a 42 Hertz square wave on the RCAs. Look at this, I'm probing the RCAs. There's your 42 Hertz square wave. That turns into a 42 Hertz perfect sine wave on the speaker terminals. Square wave on the RCAs, sine wave on the outputs. Does clipping your head unit matter? Yes and no. Clipping your head unit is not good because it reduces the dynamics of your music. It just makes everything sound the same volume, and it's especially bad for high frequencies. You don't want to clip your head unit when you're listening to your high frequencies. But if your subwoofer output from your head unit is clipped, is it gonna damage your sub? No, it's not. The amplifier is gonna turn it back into a square wave. Into a sine wave. How many people were blown away by that? Damn it, what does a clean head unit do for you anymore then? Yeah, nothing, pretty much. Your subwoofer output can be clipped as fuck, and your subwoofer output from your amplifier will still be clean. Bass boost on your head unit to max, boys. Yeah, man. Fucking hell. Why does the amp convert it back to a sine wave? Because of low pass filtering. That's all it is. A sharp square wave, the thing that makes it a square wave is a high frequency change in shape of the wave. So if you apply a low pass filter to a square wave, you end up with a sine wave. That's the only reason why it turns it back into a sine wave, is because the amplifier has many low pass filters applied across the amplifier.